If you want to build financial models or analyze markets using data, econometrics becomes an essential tool. So in this video, we'll build a simple and clear understanding of what econometrics really means. Let's start with some typical questions in finance. What factors drive stock returns? Why does market volatility suddenly increase during crisis? Do interest rates influence stock prices? These are the kinds of questions financial analysts and quantitative researchers often study. To answer these questions, we need data. For example, stock returns, interest rates, inflation, and other economic indicators. By analyzing this data, we can begin to understand how these variables interact. Now, this is where econometrics comes in. Econometrics provides tools that allow us to analyze relationships in data. So instead of relying only on intuition, we use statistical methods to understand how variables move together. A simple way to define econometrics is this. Econometrics uses data to test economic and financial ideas. It allows us to examine whether relationships suggested by theory actually appear in real-world data or not. Consider a simple example. Do interest rates affect stock returns? Economic theory suggests that interest rate changes can influence equity markets. But how strong is that relationship? And how can we measure it using data? Econometrics helps us do three things. First, measure relationships between variables. Second, estimate how strong those relationships are. And third, analyze the uncertainty that always exists in the financial data. The same idea applies outside financial markets as well. For example, economists often study whether education increases income or not. Econometrics allows researchers to estimate how strongly education affects earnings using real data. One of the most powerful aspects of econometrics is that it converts opinions into measurable evidence. So instead of simply saying this factor affects markets, we can estimate the size of that particular effect. Many people assume econometrics is mainly about complicated equations, charts, correlations, but that is not really the point. Econometrics is about understanding relationships in data. So mathematics is simply the tool that allows us to do that carefully. A typical econometric analysis follows a simple process. We start with an idea or a question. Then we collect data. Next, we build a model. Then we estimate the relationship. And finally, we interpret the results. In finance, econometrics is essentially for building financial model. Analysts use it to study how risk factors affect returns. Researchers use it to analyze market behavior. And quantitative analysts use it to build models that describe financial data. So, the key idea is simple. Econometrics combines economic reasoning with real-world data. It allows us to test ideas, measure relationships, and analyze financial markets using evidence. Alright, so in this video, we focused on a very simple but important idea. Econometrics is essentially the combination of economic reasoning and real-world data. So it helps us move from opinions to evidence and actually measure relationships in the economy and financial markets. So in the next video, we'll take this one step further. We'll look at why econometrics is actually necessary, especially when we try to understand complex systems like financial markets. Till then, thank you and happy learning.